Let's be real, the Crunchwrap Supreme is a fast food icon. It's crunchy, cheesy, and incredibly satisfying. But if you're trying to build muscle or stay lean, it's a macro nightmare. We're talking high-fat, low-quality carbs, and barely enough protein to count as a meal. Today, we are fixing that. We aren't just making a healthy version, we are reverse engineering the entire build to create the ultimate high-protein Crunchwrap. It looks the same, it crunches the same, but we've slashed the fat by 70% and packed it with over 50 grams of protein. Let me show you how we engineered it. To make this work, we have to hack the two biggest culprits, the seasoned beef and that liquid gold nacho cheese. First up, the beef. The original uses a higher fat blend that's pumped full of fillers. We're swapping that for extra lean 96.4 ground beef. This cuts the fat by nearly 75% right off the bat. The key is the seasoning. Don't use a packet. They're mostly salt and cornstarch. I use a homemade blend of chili powder, cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and a little cocoa powder for depth. Brown it up, add a splash of water, and let it simmer until it's thick and saucy. Now, for the real challenge, the nacho cheese sauce. This is where most healthy versions fail. Our secret weapon? You guessed it, blended cottage cheese. Into a blender, we're adding half a cup of cottage cheese and a quarter cup of Greek yogurt for that irresistible, tangy base. To turn it into nacho cheese, we add 2 tablespoons of cheddar cheese powder. This gives you intense cheesy flavor without the oily fats, plus a few pickled jalapeno slices and a splash of the brine for that signature kick. Blend it on high for a full minute until it's completely silky, smooth, and neon orange. Trust me, you won't believe this isn't the processed stuff. All right, components are engineered. Now we assemble. This is architectural. The layering order matters. We start with a large, high-fiber burrito tortilla laid flat. Layer 1 is the foundation, a solid half-cup scoop of our high-protein seasoned beef right in the center. Layer 2 is the glue. Drizzle 2 generous tablespoons of that neon orange protein cheese sauce right over the beef. Next, the namesake crunch. Place a round, crispy corn tostada shell directly on top. Now for the cool layer. On top of the shell, we swap standard sour cream for a thick dollop of plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. Then, pile on fresh shredded lettuce and diced tomatoes for volume. To seal it in, place a smaller, taco-sized tortilla on top of the veggie mound. Finally, the fold. Tightly fold the edges of the large tortilla over the center, rotating as you go to create that signature hexagon shape. It should feel dense and heavy. Now for the final step, the toast. You need a hot skillet over medium heat. Place the Crunchwrap seam side down first. This is crucial. It seals the folds together so nothing spills out. Press it down gently to get maximum contact. After about 2 to 3 minutes, flip it over. Look at that perfect golden brown crust. Give the other side another 2 minutes until it's crisp everywhere. Take it off the heat and let it rest for just a minute. Okay, moment of truth. Let's slice into this high-protein beast. Look at that. Perfect layers, 50 grams of protein, and it tastes even better than the original. Try this hack and subscribe for more.